What is up, guys? Mike Wang here, and today I'm going to talk about 5 altcoins that could potentially blow up. I'm not talking about multiplying your money by 2x. I'm talking about a potential 10x, 20x, 30x, or even a 50x opportunity. But just to be clear, this is not financial advice. It's just for educational and entertainment purposes only. I want you guys to look at this video and think of how I approach my investments. So before we begin, make sure to obliterate the like and subscribe button. And if you want to discuss more about the topics I cover on my YouTube channel, make sure to visit my website and join my community. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first coin I want to talk about is Flamingo Finance. This is a DeFi protocol on Neo, and the best way to understand it is to think of the 2021 version of Neo's smart economy vision. So I was personally first bullish on this project because of the technicals I was looking at. So if we look at the chart here, on the left hand side, we have the chart for Flamingo Finance, ticker FLM. And on the right hand side, we have the chart for SushiSwap. And if we look at it, the resemblance is very clear. So we have this cup and handle like pattern that form on both of the charts. And what we can also see here is how severe the listing pump was when it first got listed. Another thing we can note is how the volume moves very similar as well. So when it first got listed, there was a huge volume spike for both coins. And as it formed a round bottom and it died out, the volume also formed a round bottom until it started to accumulate at significant support regions where we see a huge volume spike. And just as how sushi broke through all-time high levels, I feel like Flamingo Finance, from a technical perspective, also has a chance for a huge upside. And if we take a look at the market cap for this project, it's trading at a mere $85 million, which is very, very little compared to this being such a huge deal as part of the Neo blockchain. And with Neo 3.0 being 96% complete, I am personally expecting a lot from this coin for the days and weeks to come. The next coin I want to introduce to you guys is Litentry. This is a network that will join Polkadot as a parachain, and it's an identity aggregation protocol that enables DID aggregation, verification, and credit calculation and grading. If we look at the market cap for this project, it's trading at a mere $221 million, which is actually very small. And what I liked about this project is how the chart reminded me a lot of the setup I had when I was trading Uniswap. So for those of you who don't know, I actually posted this back in December 30 of 2020. And this was the setup I had for the Uniswap trade I was doing. I accumulated around $3.5, and I was expecting a breakout from the reverse head and shoulders continuation pattern here, leading up to test the $5.8 region, which is the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. And that would have given me a 60% upside, and I would have been happy with the trade. The only mistake I made with this trade is that I sold too early. I underestimated the strength of the bullish momentum that could be behind a solid project. And this ended up doing 10x. And yes, I do regret selling it, but there are plenty of other opportunities. And I feel like Lit could be one of the opportunities, just like Uniswap. So if we take a side-by-side look at the charts, this is Litentry on the left-hand side and then Uniswap on the right-hand side. As we can see, there's a huge listing pump with a huge candle wick, and the candle continues upwards temporarily until it drops again with very low volume, and it consolidates at a region for a while before breaking out past the all-time high levels, and I expect something similar to happen with Litentry as well. The third coin I want to introduce to you guys is Rarible. This is an NFT related coin where people can create and sell digital collectibles secured with blockchain. And what I like a lot about this project is the investors behind this project, one of which is Coinbase Ventures. So the fact that Coinbase is behind this project makes this project very prominent to me. And what I also like about this project is how there's a lot of trading volume on the platform. But compared to the trading volume that the platform supports, the market cap is at a mere $109 million, which is half of what we saw for Litentry and a little more than what we saw for Flamingo. This is ranked at 301 in terms of market cap, and I feel like with Coinbase Ventures investing in this project, they should definitely be worth more than $109 million. So I see a lot of upside for this project as well. Unfortunately, there isn't much price action behind this coin because it's not listed on too many exchanges, and there really isn't much technical analysis to conduct for this specific coin. The next coin I want to introduce to you guys, and you guys might want to hear this out because it might be one of the best coins out of the 5 that I'm introducing today. It's RARI. The website is currently under maintenance, but this is a complete no-brainer. They've already connected with Twitch, so the influencers on Twitch can create their own coins via RARI. What I really like about RARI are the investors behind the project. It's insane. Altos Ventures, Coinbase Ventures, A16Z Crypto are all behind this project, and they think it's prominent. And this is what makes me so bullish about this project, is how fundamentally solid it is, to the point where we have big players like Altos Ventures and A16Z Crypto also jump into the project as well to invest in this. And there isn't much price action history, so instead of taking a look at the technicals, we will take a look at the market cap for RARI, which is at a mere $136 million. So I've already sort of doubled my investment on RARI already, but it's still at a mere $136 million. This is not financial advice, guys, but I personally feel like there is a huge upside to this coin, and currently it's getting listed on a lot of exchanges, and I think we could definitely see this on Binance in the coming weeks or months. The last coin I want to introduce to you guys is Raydium. This is an automated market maker built on the Solana blockchain, and it's one of Sam Bankman's coins, Sam Bankman from FTX. If we look at the chart for this coin as well, on the left-hand side, we have Raydium, and on the right-hand side, we have Uniswap. And what I see a lot these days with coins that are prominent and have strong fundamentals is they get listed and they pump severely, and then they correct, they accumulate for a while, and then they pump back up, bursting through the all-time high regions again. So I'm feeling like there is a similar fractal going on with Raydium as well. What I particularly like about this coin is how bullish it is in terms of the market cap. So if we take a look at the list of all the other coins that Sam invested in or are behind, we have coins like Solana, FTX token, SushiSwap, Ren, Serum, and Raydium. And out of all the coins on this list, besides Serum and Raydium, which each have a market cap of $270 million and $195 million, all other coins are between the $1 to $4 billion range. So given that Raydium can also grow to that extent, we could see a 10 to 30x upside potential for this coin. Lastly, the reason I really like this coin is how the staking rewards are so high. If we take a look at this page, it says that the APR, or the returns we get for staking this coin, is at around 136.87%, and this used to range at anywhere between 140 to 150%. So with this number, with the staking reward, if we calculate it on a monthly basis, this gives us a 10 to 12% return on a monthly basis. So if we stake 1,000 Raydium, given that Raydium trades at $10, that would be a $10,000 investment in staking. And the reward you get for staking $10,000 worth of coins will be around $1,000 to $1,200 every month, given that the price remains at the same level. But if the price appreciates even more, that's more profits that you can benefit from. So again, for this coin, I am also seeing a huge upside potential, and I am waiting for the breakout to take place until it breaks all-time high levels. So that is it for today, guys. These are the 5 altcoins that I'm extremely bullish on. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you like this video and if you want to see more content like these, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe for more quality content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.